Good afternoon. A judge will have to decide once again if New Mexicans have the right to die. The state's Court of Appeals is set to hear arguments for and against doctor-assisted suicide in a couple of hours. News 13's Chris McKee talked with both sides this morning. He's in the Newsplex with more.
Kim, a woman battling cancer and two UNMH doctors won a district court ruling last year to allow mentally competent, terminally ill patients to end their life through medication. Now, Judge Nan Nash made that decision, but the state attorney general's office chose to appeal it. A spokesman for the New Mexico Attorney General, Hector Balderas, said this morning that the AG's office is still planning on moving forward to fight the ruling. They'll be in Court of Appeals on the UNM campus this afternoon. Asia Riggs of Santa Fe was diagnosed with uterine cancer in 2011. Her cancer is in remission now, but she says if it comes back, she wants the option to die peacefully on her time. The state argues that there's no assisted suicide exemption in state law right now, but the ACLU sees it differently. They're helping to fight for the right to die. They believe the state's constitution allows for it.
It's not the purview of the legislature to make decisions about fundamental constitutional rights of people. That's for the court to interpret. So our argument is that this is very much a right guaranteed by the Constitution.
Now, the Court of Appeals will hear oral arguments from both sides today, but they won't make a decision on that case. That could happen in sometime in the next 6 to 12 months. I will be in the courtroom today for those hearings. They begin at 2 o'clock. We will have more today on News 13 at 4. Kim, back to you.
Okay, thank you, Chris. Now, 4 other states, including Oregon, Washington, Vermont, and Montana, do allow doctor-assisted suicide for terminally ill patients.